Yeah, this is the Maglev Train kit that I designed this year. The coils were designed probably a year ago, or a couple of years ago. The coils which drives the train. Anyway, the coils, there's 4 coils on board, and the coil does 3 things. It does lateral control, linear control, and levitation all at the same time. So the train itself weighs about 1 pound. It draws about 1.6 amps at 12 volts. Right now I'm using a 3 amp power supply from a laptop. But on the side of the undercarriage of the train, there's a flip-flop switch that I designed. This acts like a sensor which detects the north and south pole as it moves linear. So as it moves linear, it detects the next pole, the current will flip, and then on top of the train there's a 12-volt relay, and this relay just goes on and off accordingly to the flip-flop switch. And I control the direction by a switch that I have in my hand, so I can flip the current as I need it to go in which direction I want it to go. Now, the train can increase its speed just by, if I increase the voltage plus the current, or I can increase the windings on the coil, the drive coils and everything. So right now my coils, I wound them bi-filler wound, because this enhances the magnetic field and gives me a lot more torque and a lot more lifting power as well. Now, eventually what I'll do, I'll put an electronic sensor that detects the north and south pole instead of that flip-flop switch. But for now, this is okay. Eventually I will design a body that goes on top of it and streamline it a little bit better. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy.